Hi Libra, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for February 2015. Librans, we have a brilliant aspect this month. We have Venus that is conjuncting Neptune in Pisces, and that speaks about new and fresh beginnings on the creative levels. As this transit goes forth, it speaks about heightened sensitivity and awareness to beauty and spirituality. You could be easily influenced during this transit, either be seducible or be seductible. This is also a time wherein you could be given to strong powers of imagination. So authors, musicians, theatre artists, it's a brilliant time for you. It's a brilliant time to be harnessing this energy. This is also a time where you could be perfectly attuned to the world and the beauty at large. Gentleness with others is the best way to be harnessing this energy. This could also be a magical time as far as romance is concerned for you. Now this transit, that is Venus conjuncting Neptune, is happening in a part of your chart that has to do with day-to-day chores. It has to do with your health. It also has to do with mundane work which you have been ignoring. And this is the time, because this particular aspect, that is Neptune and Venus, is there. It's going to be speaking about a time where you're not going to be falling very easily for someone, Librans, and the person and relationship will need to be making sense in the most logical way. You're likely to be assessing this person the way that you're interviewing somebody for a job, making sure that they meet all the criteria. Good for you, Librans. And this is a time, if they do, if all the boxes in the chart are ticked, you will proceed. If not, you're going to be pretty much putting the person off the list. And this house, it rules your work and it rules your environment. So make sure the potential people that you're meeting at your workplace or through your work, and if you get asked out, try not to sort of let go of that opportunity and say that, oh, I don't mix my work with pleasure. It could be somebody quite interesting. This particular house rules your work environment, so it's quite a strong possibility you could meet somebody at work, maybe a co-worker, who knows. Just make sure that it doesn't get too messy. You could find pleasure in structure and order this month, wanting things to be just so, and are more of a perfectionist. You can also find enjoyment in your work, and a more creative approach to your work will be taken during this month. For those of you Librans who have been trying to finish work for the longest of time, and this aspect I've spoken in great detail in my love video, that is 2015 video. This is a time where all the pending work and this transit, this aspect begins for you in February. You could be finding a lot of enjoyment in a structured way as well, and with Saturn in any case being there in your communication. For those of you who have been wanting or have been forever been procrastinating, this is a brilliant month where you will set forth self-targets for yourself and you will go about finishing your work. Now we have a full moon around the first week as well, and the full moon is very different from a new moon, wherein that the new moon is quite introspective. The full moon energy tends to sort of, it is more public and it just comes forth. So any proclamations, self-proclamations that are made during a full moon energy can be a little unrefined, because the full moon energy it just comes forth. So anything that needs to be, if you need to get anything out of your system, it's a great time to be doing so. I think conversations that you have been hesitating to have for the longest of time, you will be having the courage and the energy. Full moon will ensure that the awkward, whether it is the fear of the awkwardness or the worry of spoiling a relationship, are sort of put on a side, and you will be able to speak with a lot of confidence. Now for you, this also speaks about, this is happening in a part of your chart that has to do with the full moon energy that is there in Leo. It's happening in a part of your chart that has to do with groups of people. It has to do with like-minded people. So a lot of focus is going to be there this month on what brings you pleasure, on your hobbies, on your romantic activities, and so on and so forth. You're going to be realizing also this month the role that you play in others' life. For example, a spouse, a parent, a friend, and it's an important element in your overall happiness, Librans. You're also going to be looking for validation from friends and group activities right now. You may be called upon to perform a humanitarian gesture this month. For example, it could be that a friend may be just going through a huge crisis and you may be called upon to help that friend out, and you could suddenly find yourself amongst a lot of people, Librans, and this entire trend begins for you in February, and you could perhaps I think this is happening to you after a period of solitude as well. So you could, or private time. So a lot of you could welcome it actually and love being there amongst people. I've spoken at length about the lovely celestial dance which is there between Mars and Venus in my 2015 video. You can check it out and you can learn more about in great detail as to what is it that is really happening in your lives. It's been lovely speaking with you, Librans. I'll see you soon and thank you so much for watching.